Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, simple, important story about valuing your time. There was a boy named Aditya. Aditya was smart. Aditya had many dreams. But Aditya had one problem. He wasted a lot of time. He played games for hours. He used his phone all day. He said, "I will study later. I will work tomorrow." Days passed, weeks passed, nothing changed. One evening, Aditya's grandmother called him. He gave Aditya a small watch, an old, beautiful watch. The grandfather said softly, "My child, this watch is special." Aditya asked, "Why is it special?" The grandfather smiled and said, "This watch does not show only hours. It shows life." He continued, "Every tick is a moment. Every minute is a chance. When time goes, it never returns." Aditya listened quietly. The grandfather asked, "What are you doing with your time?" Aditya felt shy. He said slowly, "I waste it. I delay things. I am careless." The grandfather touched his head and said, "Time is a gift. Use it to learn. Use it to grow. Use it to build your dreams. Do not kill time. Respect time." That night, Aditya thought deeply. Next morning, he changed. He made a small plan. He studied a little every day. He played, but with limits. He used his phone less. Slowly, his life improved. He felt confident. He felt proud. He felt in control. Because when you respect time, time respects you. Final message, my friends, this story is for you too. Time is precious. Time is powerful. Do not waste it. Use it wisely. Learn today. Grow today. Start today. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep using your time well. And always remember, time once gone,